In order to reduce our power consumption, I replaced the standard light bulbs for the anchor light and the tri-light by LEDs. These should save about 50% of the energy, and therefore I went up the mast and replaced the bulbs. While I'm up here risking my life, Nina is lying on the teak deck and catching some sun.
From Preveza, where lazy Mario spent the afternoon hanging around at the masttop, while I had to guard the teak deck, we set sail to Lefkada. Lefkada is connected with the mainland by a drawbridge, which opens hourly for the ships. Once open, all the boats hurry to pass the channel and the bridge. It is a bit like being on a highway in a traffic jam. We arrived on Lefkada. Unfortunately, the marina was full and we were told to anchor between the marina and the town harbour. Bit tight, but okay for one night. Next morning, we set sails again and found ourselves in a beautiful lake-like area, protected by the mainland on the one side and many islands all around.
This is now our second week here in Greece, and we actually intended to sail over to Malta already quite, 5 or 6 days ago, we said. But we always had new excuses. On the first hand, we said, well, the weather is not fine enough, the wind is coming from the wrong side. But to be honest, we just stayed here because it's so lovely. It is so beautiful, one anchorage after the other, one better than the other. It is so calm, it is so nice, the people are so friendly. We just couldn't decide simply to leave, and therefore now, as mentioned, it's our second week. But since it's getting October, today is the 1st of October, and we have more than 1,200 miles ahead. As hard as it is, tomorrow will be the last day, or actually today is the last day, and indeed tomorrow we are intending to head towards Malta tomorrow. The weather should also be quite fine. We'll have wind from the back between 15 and 20 knots, which should be fine if we can trust the weather forecast, so we'll see. However, it's really hard to say goodbye to this beautiful place.
There's nothing more to say, it was just a beautiful place to sail. We stopped for our last anchorage in Fiscado and had a nightly dinghy ride for our last glass of wine.